你是我的小呀小苹果，怎么爱你都不嫌多，红红的小脸温暖我的心窝。
Ni hao YouTube, what's going on? Thailand to China. We are in the middle of nowhere on Fuerteventura Island, and we want to check out this place there, right behind me, which looks kind of forsaken. So there are basically two places. We have this house over there, and then there is this place over there. We want to check this out in this beautiful, big, forsaken landscape. What I already think is pretty interesting, look at this, you can see the small shells here everywhere, of snails. Lots of. Then here you can see, in the middle of nowhere, some goats and yeah, hi, aloe vera plants. Pretty nice. Wow, look at those snail shells everywhere. This place looks so like deserted. So right now we are actually not far anymore from the first place, and here seems to be something like a small oasis or a well or something. This little river is kind of dry, still you can see some vegetation, and look at the holes here. It seems like some animals have their nests here. Pretty nice. So let's go on with the tour. I hope I can cross this thing here somewhere. Okay, we are almost there, in the middle of the nature. This is really what I like about Fuerte, this kind of nature feeling. You're just in the middle of nowhere and it still feels comfortable. Okay, so we basically just arrived at the first part here. Just want to climb up this little mountain here, and then we can see more about this place. I woke up some birds. Beautiful, just a beautiful and peaceful place. I don't want to disturb the silence. Just walk my way through. Really quiet. I think at first we might want to have a tour around this thing and then we go inside. Look at this, beautiful. So all of this walls here were built out of pure stone. That's really incredible. Almost nothing in between. Okay, let's move inside. Take the right entrance. Holy shit. That was scaring me. What a nice picture. Hang on. I think I will take a picture first. Just beautiful. Yeah, no. The roof was basically coming down, and now look what they put in between to keep those rocks together. They took some earth and some hay or grass or whatever. It's pretty nice. I mean, it's no wonder those houses are falling apart, but this is a very cheap and good technique to build houses. I mean, look at how they put the stones together and they just put this clay in between. I think this is pretty nice. It's a good way to build a house. And look at how small those doors are. I have to duck in order to go through. So that was maybe the main entrance. That's a door. Stuck. Whoa. I just stepped on this thing here. I mean, but look at this. I think this is really impressive, because like this you can really see how they built those houses back in the days. They just put earth and clay in between of those volcano rocks. That's pretty nice. And I wonder how long this building stood here. Because the technique is very simple. And I think it's not too bad. I kind of admire this, because nowadays you need so much knowledge, so much technique in order to build a house like this. And back in the days it was so simple. And it was cheap. So we've been there. Look at this thing. Almost falling apart. That's interesting. So I think that was this the stove or a chimney back in the days? Also a very beautiful picture here with this kind of window door. Wow, that's impressive. Look at this. Look at those animals who crawled in the wood and destroyed it, like with worms. Also very beautiful here. So I just found some bones here, which I don't know which kind of bones it is, but then I discovered in this wall some kind of weird skeleton. Look at this. What is this? Was this a bird or... I mean, look at the head of this thing. Could be a bird, and the bones kind of fell down here. Spooky. What a forsaken place. There is some shotgun shells. There's even more. There's shotgun shells everywhere. So I wonder if this place over there is forsaken or not, but I doubt so. I doubt so. It might be a small goat's farm or something, but to be honest with you, it doesn't look really forsaken. I will check this out in a while. Look at all those colored shotgun shells here. Beautiful, just a beautiful landscape. Okay, let's check out the other place.